There we go.
Woohoo!
Back to Scotland. Yay! Oh, hello, Scotland, yeah. Uncle Rob and Archie. Don't you dare. They'll die a cat skeleton. There's Lilla. We have new upgraded solar and we've lost our decking for the winter. Don't think it's a permanent removal though. It'll probably get back on in the summer and we'll move the solar around. This is us up in Scotland. Rob's arranged some beautiful weather for us. Oliver's stalking him. Oliver! 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 What's up? You stalking Archie? I'll get you. Best wander in Scotland on our Christmas tour, winter tour. Leaving Lilla behind, Oliver guarding the house, leaving Karen behind if she don't watch out. Rob's van there, and we're following Archie's dad.
Onwards!
To Carlaverock Nature Reserve, that's the one. Nature Reserve, yes. Ooh, mushrooms! You tried licking them yet, Rob?
Well, they haven't got a nipple, so they're not the good ones.
You don't want to lick anything that ain't got a nipple. The actual bark. Mushroom fest. Wish we knew how to forage, yeah. That's it. Oh, sorry, Archie.
You're right, you get in the way then.
What are you doing?
They want to forage you. And we're using the internet to forage.
That's going to be safe, isn't it?
Modern foragers.
Yep, full motor around it. Nice.
Why was it abandoned?
Yeah, this was a wet and muddy place to live. Okay, so this is the first Caple Castle, surrounded by its own moat. Not much left of it. Nice to catch some sunshine as well. There's Archie. Playing with a Karen. Isn't that cool? Right, we're just on our way from Corner Campsite to Glen Caple, where there's a cafe. We're going to brew and something to eat perhaps. They've got a bit of a car park or something for motorhomes, so we shall see you there. Yeah, what a brilliant setup this place has. This is Glen Caple, and they invite motorhomes. There are spaces for 4 or 5 motorhomes. Not sure if you can hear me okay today, a bit blustery. And they welcome caravan and motorhome visitors. Dedicated bays in the motorhome area there. And there's an honesty box if you stay overnight. If it wasn't so blustery today, we would have the drones out flying. What a stunning location. There's young Rob back.
A little bit windy.
It's a little bit windy, yes. Hello Archie. Hello buddy. Right, we're just about to leave Glen Caple. Still windy as out here. We've got to pop into Dumfries now and wait for a parcel to arrive. Not quite sure if it's going to get there yet. Post office shuts at 5:30 and the parcel's due to arrive anywhere up to 10 o'clock. So we'll see how it goes. So just getting the engines warmed up and we'll be on our way. Probably show you a bit of Dumfries if we're hanging around for a bit. Alright, see you there. Right, so we've arrived in Dumfries. We've parked up alongside the River Nith. There's loads of free parking around here, so we're going to take advantage of that while we're waiting for this parcel, and probably drag the cameras out and have a look around at the river. And there's lots of pedestrian areas around here, so we'll take a walk down those as well. Show you those in a bit. Brilliant feature. was a complete waste of a day waiting for a parcel. Post office shut and no sign of the Amazon delivery guy. So we're going to have some tea, find somewhere to park up, and then tomorrow we're going to have a look at joining Rob at a viaduct. So looking forward to that one. Alright, we'll catch you there. Won't we, Oliver?